Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, I want to give you just a quick update on some of the things that Quizizz has done recently. Remember, you have the options here to create quiz, or you can create a lesson in Quizizz, but you also can use Google Forms or Google Slides to import. So again, if you click on quiz, you have the option of creating questions from scratch, from text, upload a document, convert URL to a quiz. So if you have a YouTube video, Wikipedia, and so on. Alright, so let's just do some testing really quick here. So for example, let's click on here, convert URL to a quiz. Alright, add the topic. So let's say we're going to talk about adverbs of frequency. We can select the grade, alright, the subject, the number of questions that we want, or we can automize it, and then click generate questions. Alright, so here we're going to use a link. So here we click on the YouTube link. Let's see here, let's click on this. Let's go back. Alright, again we can select the grade if we want, and then let's type in edit topic. There you go. Let's generate questions, and it takes about a minute. What topics would you quiz cover? We can select which ones we want. We can select up to 10 topics, so I want to use all of these. And then generate questions. So estimated time, less than 1 minute. Alright, let's give it a second. And there you go. Look at that. It gives you questions just from that video. Alright, and then you can, and then afterwards you can assign it to your students. Alright, you can publish it. You can preview the quiz from here and see what it looks like. You can continue or show the answer and so on. Alright, or you can publish it and send it to your students. Alright, you can start a live quiz, or you can assign it as a homework, or you can actually download it as a paper mode. Wow, I mean, this is really cool. With AI built in, it just makes our life easier. And just to let you know, something very important is they also have a built-in extension in Chrome that you could click on here, and it will do the same thing, turn any website into a quiz. So all you would have to do is add it, click here to make sure that you want to keep it there pinned, and there you go. So anytime you just click on here. Alright, so let's go here, and let's go back here and click on this option, and then it will allow you to go ahead and customize the quiz so that you can create this quiz online. You can include the video clip in the quiz as well, which is really cool. How many questions you want, how long is it, and so on, and just click on generate quiz, and there you go. I mean, just the same format. Really cool. I mean, this AI is just a game-changing option that's making our life a lot easier. Alright, I know I keep saying that over and over, but it's really a game changer. Alright, so that was just an update that you can do in Quizizz. Again, you can assign as homework, and then you have these reporting things that's available that you can review the reports, the participants, the accuracy, the different types of settings that you can do, the library that you have, what's imported, what you like, what you tag, and so on. You can also have teams, collaboration with each other, and so on. Again, I'm not going to spend too much time, just trying to give you an outlook that these are some of the updates that are available in the free version of Quizizz. So just imagine what you can have in the upgrade version. So new tools for student engagement, interactive video and audio clips, no ads, thousands of premium quizzes and lessons, and you can promote mastery with answers, explanations. So again, these are all companies, gamification, that's just taken it to a new level, and that they're all competing against each other. We did a video tutorial on Quizizz, and look how it's also being applied now in Quizizz, and Kahoot is also doing the same thing, and I'll just show you a quick update on that side as well. Barakallah fikum.